Welcome to TDS Online Math. Now let's provide a solution to this problem. Solution. So we are given square root of t on 2 minus t equals to 1. Okay, now let's send this t to the right hand side. The idea is to square both sides. Okay, so by doing that, this side will be t on 2 equals to 1 plus t. So from here we can square both sides. That will be t on 2 all squared equals to 1 plus t all squared. So this one is cancelled. We'll have it t on 2 here, whereby this side will be, now let's expand this. 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 1, 2 times t, 2t plus t squared. Okay, so we can make this side over 1 and do cross multiplication. So 1 times t is t, and 2 times that, have 2 times 1 plus 2t plus t squared. So we have t, 2 times 1, 4 times t squared, 2t squared. So let's arrange it. We have 2t squared plus 4t, and we have t here minus t plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so let's simplify. 2t squared plus, so 4 minus 1 will be 3. So we have 3t plus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Now from here, we can solve for t. Okay. Now let's use the almighty formula, t minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac on 2a. So when you compare the equation, the general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, we have a as 2, b as 3, then c as 2. So from here, p is 3, so minus 3 plus or minus 3 squared, that is b, a2, c2 on 2 times a, that is 2. So we have t equals to minus 3 plus or minus, we have 9 here, 4 to 8, 8 to 16 on 4. Okay, so t equals to minus 3 plus or minus, so 9 minus 16 will be minus 7. Minus 7 on 4. Okay. So from here, since this one will take us to complex numbers, now square root of minus 1, is I, and I squared is same as minus 1. Alright, so from here you can say t equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 7 times square root of minus 1 on 4. So we can do substitution here. So we have t equals minus 3 plus or minus, so this one is I, 7 I on 4. So the first answer for t, is minus 3 plus 7 I on 4, or